Touch it.
Moving out already. Moving out already.
Yeah, nigga. Oh, fuck. Yeah, nigga.
This is the
Yo,
what the fuck I was about to say?
Just don't even say it.
What the fuck I was about to say? Nah.
It's good for you. You can read it.
Oh nah. Yo, what we doing here? What we doing here? Yo, walk over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to.
But I go down, fam. Fuck, I have to build a path. Oh, this shit is hard.
1 hour later.
Oh, fuck. Yo.
What's gonna happen right now?
Oh, my leg.
Oh, shit. Oh, yo, this guy's drowning.
Oh, nah, he's drowning.
Yo.
Ah, nah, he got it.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, nigga.
Yo. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh, nah.
How do I hold this guy?
Yo, help me.
Oh, shit. Ah, my leg. Oh, shit.
Oh, I'm burning. Oh, shit. Cameraman down, too? God damn, nigga, we both.
Fuck.
Help, nigga. Help. Ew, nigga, that shit.
Now we got, oh my god. Now we're fucked. Now we're actually
I'm not gonna lie,
Yo, we're fucked. Now we're fucked. I hope you know there's 2 feet of snow under me right now. If I move, or if he moves, we're done. Like we're going down. Like the fucking Titanic.
I'm not gonna lie. My hands are like 5 inches.
My hand's stuck. Like,
Five minutes
see?
deep, I'm not
My
gonna
hand is stuck inside.
Damn. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yo.
Yo, I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. Oh, my.
Oh, fuck. Nigga, all I wanted to do was jump, nigga. Damn.
How the fuck did I end up in this shit?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, kid.
How did I end up? Yo, my hand is stuck, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna wait. Hold on. I'm gonna try making it out.
Yo, wait, no, you gotta take this. My hand is stuck.
1 hour later.
Good. You good? Damn, Nick. You good? Oh shit. Oh fuck. My fault, bro. Yo, you good? Oh shit. Yo. Ah, yeah. Walk straight. Yeah. There you go. There. Nigga said it low-key looks fun. What the fuck this nigga doing, nigga? Oh shit. Wait, mini slide. Damn, nigga. Wait, that was smooth. Oh god, that was smooth, nigga. Damn. Yo. Catch me. Yo. The low angle. Catch me. Oh, yo, chat. Chat, Michael Phelps in that bitch. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
He's swimming.
Damn. Oh. I'm too old for this shit, dude.
Somehow I ended up over there too.
Yo, I'm too old for this shit, dude. Yeah, I'm too old for this shit. Oh my god, wallahi, my back is hurt. Oh, yo, the path. They don't even know about the path.
Oh, yo, how do you fuck?
They don't know about this path, gang.
They don't know about the path.
They don't know about that shit. Yo, chat, share the live. Yo, don't report it. Share the live to Nick. Oh, surf? Hold on. You actually might be able to surf. Like, if you keep going. Wait, go. Wallahi. Crazy. No. To surf, you got, go in the middle. Go in the middle right there. I'm gonna try pushing you. Yo, that might be tough. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh nah, you good, Mark? Oh shit! Yo, that Loki was a good run though. That Loki was a good run, yo. That was a good run, bro.
Nah, run it back.
Yo, run that shit back. Go. Nigga said at the age of 13, I don't play snow. I don't know why you think it's alright to play with snow at your big... Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Kiss my fucking dick, nigga. You know what? Kiss my dick. Kiss my ass, nigga. You straight pussy, nigga. I don't go fuck.
That's you now.
When that's... Oh, me?
That's you now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
My back, bro. Alright, let's get this.
Yo, predict. Is he making it to the end? Is he making it to the end?
I'm Rotate, low push. Oh, shit.
Shit.
I'm serving. Hold on.
You got it.
Oh yeah.
No, I have to go down there.
1 hour later.
I'm about to get a little boost.
Nah, am I up for that? You got me first though, no cap. Oh my god. Oh.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, my whole hand, my whole like leg is burning, but like I'm just embracing that shit, gang.
So how you feel right now?
Huh?
How you feel right now?
I'm not gonna lie, I just have to accept fate, fam. Sometimes you gotta just accept the fucking challenge you gotta face.
You know, all the way from there, all the way.
Oh, my shit burned.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Nah, we're gonna make it. We're making it to the end.
Huh?
We're making it to the end.
Yo, I fucked up the path.
Yo, start shoveling that shit.
No, that
Shovel that shit. Yo, shovel that shit. Yeah, shovel that shit. Wrong jacket ass. Shovel that shit. This is bring you back in the day, eh?
The what?
This is bring you back in the day. Shoveling that shit.
What you say?
This guy was like black side turn.
Yeah, nigga, yeah. Yeah, nigga.
Oh shit.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Oh no. Nah, he's catching that shit. Catching that shit off on site. Empty the clip.
Yo, I think the pass is better though. You good?
It's done?
Good?
Yo, we fucked. Oh wait, no, we didn't fuck it up. Where the fuck am I?
Now that shit's uneven.
Wait, hold up.
1 hour later.
Oh, we kind of fucked this shit up. Oh, back! What the fuck you doing? Man's backing up like he's in the post or something. Like, this guy. I got you. No cap. Nah, it's over now. It's deeper than snow now.
Fuck.
It's deeper than snow.
My face. Oh my god, I'm hungry. I gotta go. Nigga, I can't fucking get out. Please. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Worst decision of my life. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, do not try this shit at home. Ever. It may look fun. This shit ain't fun, nigga. This shit ain't a game, nigga.
It's not a game. Get serious out here.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
How much snow is this?
We have to make it to the end.
We do though. Like fuck, that's the goal, game.
We gotta make it to the end.
Fuck,
kinda
we
fucked
keep
this shit
fucking it up. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, yo.
We look, you gotta
See right here?
Can't fuck it up.
1 hour later.
Love playing 1v1 Jerkmate last night, GG, bro. Yo, chill. You don't gotta expose a nigga like that, though. I was playing that shit, though. You gotta chill. Like, you gotta chill. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Look at the life, though. Live.
Wait, let me see that.
Life, chat. Life, chat. Some shit y'all niggas don't experience, you feel me? Sometimes you just gotta, like, feel me? Let's switch it to the front view. Never mind, it doesn't switch. Sometimes you gotta experience life. For me, I don't even know where I'm at right now. But it's just the fact that I'm outside. For me, sometimes we just gotta be outside, even if it's the winter time, nigga.
Yo, how your Hellcat sound?
Yo, that bitch sound. Brum, brum. Let's go.
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Oh nah, he's swimming. Oh nah, he's swimming.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, swim.
Michael Phelps.
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not glad I crashed the house.
Oh nah. Shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit. Nah, that's crazy. Who the fuck did that shit?
No, y'all niggas want this Hellcat chat. If you want my Hellcat, for me, I'ma sell it to y'all niggas. Click that link in the bio. I'ma sell that Hellcat for y'all niggas, bro. For me, that shit hard, nigga. Selling that shit for 100,000. You feel me? Yo, your fucking Hellcat. How that sound? Oh shit. Okay, bet. Start that bitch up. Oh shit. Oh shit, he moving. That Hellcat moving, nigga. Damn. Yo.
Oh shit, he moving. That Hellcat moving, nigga. Damn. Yo, you good?
You good, man? Nigga crashed the V. Damn, nigga. You need a hospital? I'ma call the ambulance right now, gay.
What's my emergency? Yeah, so a nigga just crashed his fucking vehicle. He's 10 inches in the snow. Oh, wait, no, never mind. He good now. Yo, that shit was tough! Yeah, nigga! Oh shit! God. He was moving.
Yo,
Let me get my help.
hear me out.
Yo.
We're not sitting no more.
Oh, fuck.
This is not a Hellcat no more.
Fuck it.
You know what this is?
What is it?
Shit's a fucking surfboard.
Yeah, I bet about my surfboard real quick, chat. Hold on.
Alright, we standing on this shit.
Hold on, chat.
We standing on this shit.
Customer day on my surfboard. Let's go. I'm ready, chat.
Are you ready?
Yeah, tie me up.
I'm moving already.
Touch shit.
I'm moving already. I'm moving already.
Yeah, nigga. Oh, fuck. Yeah, nigga.
Oh shit. Oh nah. He's moving. Yo, swim. Yo, swim. Keep swimming.
Fuck.
Keep swimming.
Fuck.
You're fucking tough.
Damn.
You're super tough. Oh my god.
Yo, this shit ain't no joke.
Oh my god, you're crazy.
1 hour later.
Okay, when are we doing the fuck a fan contest? That's for on Wednesday. We're doing that shit on Wednesday. Okay, you ready? Okay. Oh shit, yeah, hold the. You're holding the sides? Okay, yo, I can't fall. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh shit. Nah, this nigga moved. Yo, don't fall. No,
Where'd the sun go?
Oh shit, where'd that shit go? Oh, right here. Nah, he was moving. He was fucking moving, gang. Hold on. Oh my god. Nah.